partner kayo, you should work as a partner, not an enemy or competitors. So, kung paano gagamitin technology, I think one best thing of using technology is humanap kayo ng way para magkaroon kayo ng more hobbies or more time together, like watching movie or mag-karaoke kayo
Quality
together.
Quality,
Quality
quality chat.
quality chat.
Quality
Yeah. Quality touch, quality chat. So yan, mga bago nyo natutuhan na mga love language. Kasi dati 5 lang, so
Ito po si
dinagdagan
Prof.
ko na.
Clarky for love language.
Dinagdagan ko na ng 2. So pwede na yan, quality touch. So, yun nga, another thing yun, yung magkaroon kayo ng panibagong quality time using technology. Then, another thing is, pag medyo malayo kayo sa isa't isa, magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng quality time through video call and video chat. Another thing is, dati kasi yung mga voice messages di uso and more of text lang. Ang pinagkaiba kasi ng text sa VM is, sa VM, kaya mong express yung sarili mo. Kaya mong magkaroon ng tono na masaya, malungkot, natatakot, or what. Pero kasi in terms of text, emoji lang ang pwede mong maging emotions dun eh. So, kaya mas madalas kang ginagamit is VM. So, as much as possible, VM. Especially pag hindi kayo nagkakasundo.
Nice. Thank you so much, Clark. So that's a really nice thought, no? Si Prof, sinabi niya, use technology to bridge gaps, and maybe find solution, knowledge-based, para mas mapaayos lalo yung relationship. And when it comes to Clark, sabi naman niya, find common interest using technology, maybe movies or games. And thank you so much, lover boys, for the tips on this episode about dating in digital age with technology and AI.